What is network? A group of devices connected in such a way so that they can share their resources, they can communicate in between themselves, is called network. Am I right?
Yeah.
If
Yes,
two
yes,
devices
sir.
is connected, but that is not connected in such a way so that they are unable to communicate, is it a network? No. If two devices are connected through the cable but they are unable to communicate between each other, it is not a network. Network means a
Yes,
group of devices connected in such a way so that they can share their resources, then it's called a network, right? So what are the pieces of network? कौन कौन से चीज ऐसे हैं जिनको मिला के हम कह सकते हैं कि दिस इज अ नेटवर्क और दिस इज द डिवाइस, दिस इज द पार्ट ऑफ अ नेटवर्क? चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं फ्रॉम द इंड डिवाइसेस से. ओके, सेकेंड. ओके, so we have a computer, right? This is a end device which sends and receives the packet. So this is a piece of network, correct? So after computer we also need network interface card. Am I clear?
yes, sir.
So computer
Yes.
with a network interface card is okay. Now I have a computer with a network interface card. Now what? I also need a cable, Ethernet cable or any cable through which we will connect the computer to the network, right? We also need the cable. The cable is also a piece of network. Clear? Now I have a computer, I have a network interface card in the computer. I have connected the cable to the network interface card of the computer. Now what? We need a switch or any device through which we will be able to connect other devices. So like switch or bridge or hub or repeater or router. So these are the pieces of network. Am I clear? After
Yes, sir.
connecting the device through switch or router or any hub or repeater or anything, if I am able to communicate between other devices, then it's called a network. So now network is clear. What is network? End device, sorry, network is clear and pieces of network is also clear. Am I right? What are the applications that use network? Anyone? If I am working on a Word file, is it a network application?
No, sir.
No,
No.
sir.
So what are the applications? I'm just asking you this question so that,
HTTP,
okay.
HTTP, HTTPS,
Uh-huh. And
SMTP,
uh-huh.
FTP, and TFTP, and so many applications in network applications.
Okay. If I say web browser, if I am using a web browser, is it a application of the network? Yes, because without network I cannot use the web browser. Correct?
Yes, sir.
HTTP
Zoom
means
application also.
exactly. This is the like if I'm doing something online, if I'm using any application which use an internet, that is a application of the network. So FTP, if I'm transferring any file, if I'm using file transmission protocol, that is also done by the app, like network. Without network, you cannot do FTP. Correct?
Yeah.
Naresh, Sudhanta,
Yes,
Marilyn.
yes, correct, sir.
Okay, and database applications like you can say any application which suppose which is in the server, and if you are using that database, so without communication between other devices or the server, I cannot access that database. So that is also happening just because of the network. Correct? Online games, email, these all are the applications which use network. Clear?